Gold is one of the most traded assets in the world, and Fibonacci retracements are one of the most powerful tools to trade it. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how I use Fibonacci retracements step by step. It's simple, structured, and helps me catch the best entries without chasing price. First, we identify the trend. If gold is making higher highs and higher lows, I'm only looking for buys. If it's lower highs and lower lows, I focus on sells. That's my foundation before drawing any Fibonacci. Once the trend is clear, I grab the Fibonacci retracement tool and here's my settings. 0, the exact swing point where your move began. 23.6%, fast trends often bounce here. 38.2%, common buy the dip area in uptrends and sell the rally in downtrends. 50%, not a Fibonacci number, but markets love it. Great place to watch for reaction. 61.8%, the most watched level. If the trend is healthy, price often turns here. 78.6%, this level signals a deep pullback. 100%, your opposite anchor. If price returns here, the retracement is complete. Since gold is trending up, I draw it from the swing low to the swing high. This gives me the key retracement zones: 38.2, 50, 61.8, and 78.6. These are the levels I watch closely for gold pullbacks. These act like support levels where price may pull back before continuing higher. Gold also respects the 78.6% retracement. This level signals a deep pullback, almost a complete reversal. But in strong uptrends, it can act as the final defense before price pushes back up. Smart traders know this level offers high reward but with higher risk. But Fibonacci is not enough on its own. On gold, always look for confirmation. That could be bullish candlestick patterns at the fib level or a trendline bounce, which I always use. The more confirmations, the stronger the setup. Here's how I trade it. Enter when gold shows rejection at the retracement level. Place your stop below the previous low for protection. For targets, aim for the last swing high, or even use Fibonacci extensions at 127% or 161.8% for bigger gains. Now let's backtest this strategy so you can see it in action.